Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to buy your Austria virtual number on KrispCall. You can utilize an Austrian phone number for both business and personal needs. This includes making calls, sending SMS, and receiving OTPs for various platforms like Viber, Telegram, and more. To buy a virtual Austria phone number online, firstly, go to krispcall.com and create an account or login if you're already a member. Upon successful login, proceed to access My Number either by clicking the plus icon or navigating through Settings. Next, click on Purchase New Number. Choose Austria from the available options. Once the country and number type are selected, proceed with Buy Number. Following this, assign a name and place it in your cart. Please keep in mind that you need to submit your documents and information details while purchasing an Austrian virtual phone number. Now, confirm your purchase by clicking on Confirm Purchase. Upon activating your Austrian number, you can start making calls and SMS according to the number types you purchased. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like Unified Callbox, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.